You're wondering.
Welcome back to another What We Had for Dinner. Today I'm just gonna make some tacos. It is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. I forgot to record what I made. I just made some teriyaki chicken over white rice and some canned green beans. Today I have some chicken right here. Let me show you guys. This is some chicken and I have, some ibotta sauce. I'm frying some shells here. You can see I have some made already. Today's Taco Tuesday, so we're gonna have chicken tacos. I haven't had chicken tacos in a while. And I have some lettuce over here that I'm getting ready that I'm going to chop up. Mine is going to be, this is going to be my shell today. Because, you know, I'm trying to lose weight and eat a little healthier so I could feel better because I have not been feeling good. So I'm eating healthy because I'm waiting for Saturday because Saturday is my cheat day. This is going to be my family's dinner. They have the chicken, the lettuce, and some cheese. This is Evelyn. She doesn't like avocado or tomato on it. And they're just going to have some oranges with that. And then this one is my dinner. I'm having 3 of the romaine lettuce leaves. And I have the chicken, a little bit of cheese, avocado, and some tomato. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this tapatio sauce. And then here I have a little bit of 100% pineapple juice and then water. And that is our dinner for Taco Tuesday. Brian just came home and he can't wait. So he's not eating yet. He wants to show this. This is for his lowrider. He's been waiting for 4 months. It's super cool. The only thing they did forget was
These are supposed to be dice right here.
That's supposed to be dice. This is supposed to say establishment, right?
EST 2018 established.
Yeah.
20. They had problem putting the letters in. I don't know why, but I've seen them do it on other plaques. I don't know why, not mine, but
yeah,
it is what it is. Still looks nice though.
still cool.
2-tone chrome and gold engraved.
Yep. Today is Wednesday and I am making some barbecue chicken. So I just boiled the chicken in some salt and water, and I have this barbecue rub from McCormick and I put it on both sides of the chicken. And then I went ahead and put some of this sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. I love sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. I got this one for $1 at the 99-cent store, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead, I took all the skin off of it. I don't like to leave the skin on when I make barbecue chicken. So I'm gonna put that in the oven for 400 because it's already cooked in there. I just want it to like caramelize a little bit, you know, get candied on the outside. And then here I have a canned corn, and that's mixed vegetables. I had very little bit of frozen veggies, so I just put some canned corn to stretch it out. And I have some potatoes boiling because I'm gonna make mashed potatoes, a total comfort meal today. It's plated up. I have some mixed veggies here. Here's the chicken. In the mashed potatoes, I just put some butter, milk, and some parsley. It's like a garlic salt with parsley. And I have some pineapple juice, and that is our dinner for Wednesday night. Today is Thursday, and you guys know what Thursday is. It is Spaghetti Thursday. So I have some penne noodles right here boiling, and then over here I'm steaming some fresh broccoli, and then I have my spaghetti sauce in there with some meatballs. You see a little bit, oh, it's too high. And then these are the meatballs that I'm using today. It's the Italian style meatballs. It comes with 14. I warm them up first and then I put it in there to simmer. I'm pretty sure my family is going to be happy that I changed up the meat this time, because usually, like lately, I've been doing a lot of like ground turkey, ground Italian sausage, and ground beef. So I know they're going to be happy that we're going to have some meatballs today. So this is my family's meal. So that I gave them the pasta. There's 3 meatballs with some sauce, and then right here they could just serve themselves what they want. It's just broccoli with some melted cheese on top. And for me, I'm having oranges, broccoli, 3 meatballs with some sauce and mozzarella and some water. And that is our dinner for Thursday night. On Sunday, we went ahead and went to Denny's and we had dinner there. I had the roast beef, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. And Evelyn had chicken tenders and fries. Lily had a hamburger and fries. And Brian had the same. He had a bacon cheeseburger with fries. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.